correcting our homework, we will start doing exercise 4 and 5, page 109.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. Page 109, exercise 4.
Which page?
109. Amir Aude.
We will not correct the homework.
When we finish from the
number
Marco,
what?
when we finish from these two questions, yeah.
What number again?
4, page 109.
Okay.
Write the measure of each angle of the triangles given below. هلا, if we look at the triangles, how many angles do we have inside each triangle? How many angles do we have?
I can't see the page.
Angles.
طيب, I will share it again.
Sure, but I can see.
Wait, who's talking? Amir Aude. Amir, stay mute, please.
There's 3 angles.
I can't see it
So,
now.
in each triangle, we have 3 angles because we have 3 vertices, okay? So 3 angles. طيب. Teacher, انتوا بهدول التو questions 4 و 5 مش مطلوب منكم تعملوا measuring للangles. I will give you the measurement of each angle. You will just find their sum. انتوا مطلوب منكم بال 4 و 5 بس تحفظوا آخر شيء what do we notice about the sum of all angles in a triangle and in a quadrilateral. So, I will give you the measuring of each angle. This angle here is 30 degree. This one 60. This one 90. Here عندنا 15 degrees, this angle.
Okay.
This one 135 degrees. Just copy them on the figures. And this one is 30 degrees. Please find the sum of all angles in the first triangle. Add them
Just
all.
like this.
180
Excellent, Majid, 180. So if we add 30
degree.
plus 60
Oh.
plus 90, the answer will be 180. Type. And in the second one, add the angles, please. 15.
Okay. 15 plus 30.
135 plus 30. Yes.
155.
100, how much?
175.
It's 180 degree.
Bravo, Majid. 180 degrees. Excellent. So what do you notice, Majid, here? What do you notice?
Okay.
The same.
What is the sum of all angles in any triangle?
In any angle, in any triangle, the sum is
180 degrees.
angle is 80.
Bravo, Majid. Proud of you. Clap your hands for Majid, please. Clap your hands to your friend Majid.
The Zoom's clapping.
Bravo, Majid. Thank you very much, teacher. Proud of you. So, Dayman, in any triangle, the sum of all angles should be 180 degrees. So, the sum of all angles in any.
فتحت البطارية على ايباد هلا رجعت فتحت.
Okay, Hussein, good afternoon. Say first. You have to say good afternoon.
Teacher.
The sum of all angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Always, yes, for sure. Always it's 180 degrees. This one, yeah, teacher, you have to study it. Please write for study.
Okay. Okay.
Study.
Okay.
So the sum of all angles in, yes, teacher.
تيتشر الامتحان تبع الخميس انت لغيتيه لانه مشطوب من الاجنده.
يس شطبته كرمال في عطلة نهار الخميس.
بس فيكش
أجل
تأجلي للجمعة.
تأجل الإكزام يا تيتشر؟ نو مش أنا بأجل. ما بعرف لأيمتى.
عندنا exam English.
Yeah, let's continue. So the sum of all angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. هلا
Okay.
let's check the quadrilateral. How much? How many angles in each quadrilateral?
3 angles.
Four.
Four. Excellent. 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4. عندنا 4 vertices. طيب. The square هو quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, 4 angles. طيب, who will tell me what are the angles of the square? All of them are perpendicular. So how much does it measure each one? 90. Exactly. Bravo, Jad.
90.
90. Okay. Rectangle also.
It's 90.
90. لأنه كل الangles are right angles. It has 4 right angles. Yes?
Okay.
طيب.
Teacher, do we wrote that you wrote that?
No need. Now I will tell you the trapezoid with parallelogram here how much each angle measures. يلا. عندنا the first one اللي هو trapezoid. This angle measures 60. This angle measures 50. This one 130.
In the exam, we should write these numbers.
No. It's given. And this one 120. بالparallelogram, every two opposite angles are equal. يعني if this one is 70.
160, the first one.
Bravo. And here also opposite to it 70. Here 110, 110. دايما every two opposite angles are equal.
Okay.
Let's add them together. How much is the sum يا محمد عجاوي? What did you say?
360.
70 or 110.
Teacher, انتم مش مطلوب منكم تعرفوا الميجرمنت. Okay, just write the measurement. طيب, in the second one.
Also 360.
Also 360. So what do we notice here? What is the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral?
And
It's
360. Is the sum is the 360.
Bravo. So
Is
bravo. اللي هي
360.
so هي double لل 180. So the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Also, it's for study.
Teacher, and the
is 360 degrees.
lateral is like the triangle, always 360.
Yes, always 360 degrees. Teacher, if we draw here a line,
Yeah.
okay, if we draw here a line in this quadrilateral, so we can divide the quadrilateral into two triangles. Did you see? This is the first triangle. This is the second one. Okay. طيب. Wait a minute. Wait.
Good afternoon.
What is the sum?
Not Mahdi Farhat.
Oh no.
What is the sum of all angles in any triangle?
360 degrees.
How much is the sum of all angles in any triangle?
Triangle.
180.
180.
طيب. So عندنا نحن هون two triangles. إذا كل واحد منهم لهدول التريانجلز 180 180 بصير عندنا التوتال كله 360.
60.
Yes. So هي double لل 180.
Now I attend.
فاطمة I know.
360.
So 360 هي double لل 180 لأنه الquadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So 2 times 180 equals 360. So let's repeat again. Zahra Abdelrida, what is the sum of all angles in any triangle?
Any triangle of all angles is 180 degrees.
برافو. بتول الحاج, the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral.
The sum of all angles in an quadrilateral is 300.
360 degrees. Bravo. So just study these two. The sum of all angles in a triangle 180, in a quadrilateral 360. Yeah. Did you write them?
Okay.
Yes.
No.
Hurry up,
Yes.
please. The one who entered now, take a
Yes.
screenshot. Take a screenshot. Yeah. Yeah. Did you take a
From
screenshot?
the beginning of the video.
Yes, because I did them.
Okay, I will move to another page. We have finished from page 109. Now put the extra sheet in front of you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
People.
Teacher, I
Extra sheet. Teacher, did you check the educational files? Did you correct
Yes.
part B, exercise 2, part 3?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I did today and the same for you.
Bravo. Yeah. Before we start correcting our homework. يا محمد عجاوي, please stay mute. عم يرجع الصوت teacher. Before we start correcting our homework exercise 3, we will start with exercise 1 on the extra sheet. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, teacher, I don't have the sheet.
Zahra, I sent it on the educational files in order to copy it. إذا ما معك الشيت يا زهراء يعني أنت ما اشتغلتي الهومورك, لأنه الهومورك كان على الإكسترا شيت.
No, teacher, I did the homework. بس يلي بقصده إنه إذا بدي أعملها print.
You have to print it, yes, because now we will work on the extra sheet.
Okay.
طيب يلا. In exercise 1, we will complete the table given below. Here we have 3 boxes. We will name the angle, we will measure it, and we will find its nature. When I say name, I mean you have to name it by using 3 letters, like NBM, for example, okay? When I say measure, you have to use a protractor to measure it, exactly how much. When I say nature, means is it acute, obtuse, straight, or right, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start. We will start with Adam Al-Mahmoud. Adam?
Teacher, the name?
Yes,
Yeah,
what
I
is the
don't
name of this angle?
The right angle.
Name. I didn't say nature. Name. You have to name it by using 3 letters.
The name is NBM.
MBN.
Adam ما عم بسمع. طيب stay silent please to hear your friend. Okay? ولا كلمة. خلينا نسمع رفيقكم. يلا يا محمد. يلا يا آدم. Sorry.
Okay. NBN.
Okay. دايما الvertex it has to be in the middle and we have to put hat over it. Up.
Okay.
Or we can start with M, no problem, both ways are correct. Yani we can say MBM or MBN, but the vertex, it has to be between N and M. We can't start with B. Amal Faqih. How much does it measure this angle? We can measure it quickly without using protractor.
It measures
Amal ya Zahra. Amal.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. 90
No,
degrees.
teacher, I didn't have anything.
Because it is a right angle.
لحظة شوي. يلا يا أمال, continue.
Okay.
How much does it measure?
90 degrees.
Why?
Because teacher, it's like what I have to say. Forget it. Because it's like L.
Like L, so they are perpendicular.
L.
So any two perpendicular lines measures 90 degrees because they form a letter like L. Okay, Amal.
L.
Asir Haidar,
Yes.
Yes.
what is the nature of this angle?
Teacher, what means? I didn't understand.
Acute, straight, obtuse, or right? Any angle that measures 90 degree look like L. What do we call this angle? ولو يا أسيل?
Acute.
Can I do it?
Right
Can I see
angle. Right angle.
Since said it.
Right angle.
حسين سأسوق. You will not do it today. آية مالك.
Teacher, right angle.
Right angle for sure يا أسيل. هيدي مش غلطة بتغلطيها. ولو right angle دايما measures 90 degrees in الجريد 4. الأكيوت less than 90 يا أسيل.
Yes,
less than
teacher, والله
90.
forget.
طيب
Okay.
study them please. الأوبتيوس يا أسيل.
Teacher, I didn't.
What?
الأوبتيوس angle measures how much يا أسيل؟
Bigger than 90.
برافو excellent. Okay.
And less than.
آية مالك.
Yes.
Name the second angle please.
KTC.
KTC. Okay, thank you. أمير عودة. أمير. بتول ديد. جاد الحريري.
Yes.
Name the third angle. Name.
UFE.
UFE. Excellent. جواد شمس الدين.
Yes,
Name the last angle.
it's OHG and the H have to put on it a hat.
برافو جواد. برافو. جود أسعد. We will measure KTC. So now I will open a new board in order to measure this angle. Yeah. Jude, you can measure it. You can measure it alone. Then we will measure it together. Okay?
But I don't have the sheet.
طيب. Okay, let's measure it together. I will show you the angle. يلا, it's here. Yeah.
100.
First, ya Jude, I will place the center of the protractor where? At which point?
At T.
At T, because it's the vertex. طيب. Look at my protractor, ya Jude. Zero is written where?
0. It's,
In or out?
It's M.
This is the inside scale يا جود. هيدا الانسايد. هيدا الاوتسايد. زيرو وين موجودة؟ out or in? Yes, Jude.
It's
Yes.
It's outside.
outside. هيا موجود على الكادر برا الزيرو. زيرو it's written outside. بالانسايد يا جود they started with 180, 170, 160. Okay?
Okay.
يلا. Start counting from zero يا جود لأوصل لعند البوينت كي. أنا هيدي البوينت كي فيني طولها قد ما بدي. فيني طوله لللاين حتى أعرف exactly how much. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Start يا جود.
Zero.
Start counting from zero till you reach the point K. يلا. Use the outside scale.
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130.
130 degrees. Excellent يا جود. برافو. Thank you. حسن جبارة. حسن جابر. حسن طاهر. حسين خليل.
Yes.
يلا يا حسين. The second one. How do we use the protractor to measure this angle? UFE. Where should I place the center of the protractor? At which point?
On F.
At F. الزيرو لاين كيف برسمها للبروتراكتور يا حسين؟ بكتب الزيرو بحطها هيك للبروتراكتور او بدي اقلبها شوي؟ شو بدي اعمل فيها للبروتراكتور؟ بخليها هيك؟
Never شوي.
لا توصل لعند اللاين، يعني انا بدي اعكسها، بدي احملها مثل اللاين اف اي، ما هيك؟
Yes.
طيب zero line should touch the line FE. We will use which scale? Out or in?
In.
Out.
تيتشر عم تطلع يا حسين على البروتراكتور اللي إلك او على البروتراكتور الموجوده على السكرين؟
No, mine.
Okay. Use the inside scale يا حسين. Till you reach the point U, tell me how much does it measure?
40.
40. برافو حسين. Excellent. 40 degrees. Okay. So this is the point U.
Yes, we use the outside scale, not the
Yes,
inside.
teacher. بالبروتراكتور اللي إلي I will use the inside. بس بالبروتراكتور اللي حسين هن مش قلبيهم، يعني هون مبلشين بالزيرو بالانسايد. So he has to use the inside
Also
scale.
me, teacher.
Yes. Here in my protractor, 0 is written out, so I will use the outside till I reach the point U. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, so it's 40 degrees. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I will write now, here it's 130 and here it's 40. طيب. حسين نجم.
Yes.
What is the type of this angle that measures 130 degrees?
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle. Bravo. Why it's obtuse?
Because it is smaller than
More
قصدي than 90.
طيب حسين الحاج. حسين الحاج. طيب رشا. رشا.
Miss, can I
Teacher, Haj is not
Yusuf.
رشا.
Haj is not.
Yes, I know Asil. رشا. Yeah, 40 degrees. What is the nature of this angle? Acute angle. Bravo, because it measures less than 90.
Less than
Right.
90.
Teacher, I can do this one.
Ranim Kifel.
Yes.
The last one. How much does it measure this angle?
180.
Bravo. Why 180?
Because it's a straight line.
It looked like a straight line. Bravo, Ranim. Ren Jamal. Ren. Ren.
Teacher, بس فيك تعليها شوي لفوق.
Yes. يلا يا رين. What is the nature of this angle that measures 180 degrees? Ren. Ren.
Teacher, may I do?
Ren.
I can't say it.
Ren. What is the nature of this angle?
Ray. Mr.
طيب. Majid, what is the nature of this angle?
Straight line. Straight angle.
Straight angle. Bravo. It looked like a straight line, so it's a straight angle. طيب. We have finished from exercise 1. Now let's start with question 2. Question 2, I will tell you
1 minute.
how we will use the questions 4 and 5 in this question.
Teacher, sorry, there was no internet.
Yes, Ren, I know. I know you have poor connection. Yeah. Can I start with exercise 2?
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Calculate x in the adjacent triangle. عندنا triangle ABC. X means the missing angle. Calculate, I didn't say measure. Yani you are not allowed to use protractor to measure it. Okay? So here, calculate. So you have to show me calculation. Yani you will add or you have to subtract in order to calculate this angle, the third angle, missing angle. You are not allowed to use protractor. Here in this triangle, I gave you the measuring of 2 angles. The first one, it's 60 degrees. The second one is 50 degrees.
70.
How many times should I say don't answer ya Muhammad or Yusuf without permission? So, I gave you 2 angles, 60 and 50 degrees. You want to know the third angle. Type. We know that the sum of all angles in any triangle is how much?
180.
Bravo. So the sum of all angles in any triangle, write it under the triangle. The sum of all angles is 180 degrees. I gave you 2 angles, 60 and 50. So what shall I do first in order to know the missing angle?
I have to say
We will add them. So 50 plus 60. How much? 110. طيب نحن بدنا نوصل لعند ال 180. يعني من ال 110 لل 180. How many degrees do we need?
70.
70. So the missing angle is 70 degrees. اوكي طيب اذا نحن عم نعمل counting من ال 110 لل 180. So how do we write the equation? What I'm doing here?
Adding 180 minus 110.
Bravo Majid, proud of you. Subtract 180 minus 110 لانه انا عم بعمل counting. اللي بيبقى عندي هو
I have to do subtraction.
Subtraction, yes, exactly.
Okay.
So دايما حتى الاقي المissing angle, first step we add the 2 given angles, then we subtract it by the total that is 180. So the answer x equals 70 degrees.
170.
Okay.
7.
So the total number is 70 degrees.
لا التوتال 180 المissing angle هي 70.
Oh, okay.
So احنا اشتغلنا 4 و 5 حتى نستعملها هون انه sum of all angles equals 180. For this reason you have to study the sum of all angles in any triangle equals 180. Okay? هيك بيجي السؤال بهالطريقة انه تعرفوا المissing angle.
Okay. Teacher, just a moment. I want to write.
يلا write them. So بجمع we will add 50 and 60. اللي بيبقى عندي هو 70 اللي بيبقى من ال 180.
I do it like this. 50. How we add 10 to it, it becomes 60. Then we add 10 to 60, it becomes 70.
Teacher, no. 60 plus 50, 100.
يلا copy them please.
108, 70 it is. 100.
Now we will start correcting our homework.
Okay.
طيب the angle that measures 70 degrees. What is the nature of this angle that measures 70 degrees?
is acute.
برافو رنيم acute. طيب the one that measures 50 degrees
Acute.
acute 60 degrees acute. So all the angles here are acute angles because all of them are less than 90.
Yes.
If they were bigger than 90,
If the number is less than 90, so it's acute.
Obtuse, exactly. Yeah. Can I start with question 3?
Yes.
sure.
Yeah. Construct the angles with the given sizes using a protractor. The first angle is
Did you see my homework?
I didn't check them yet. انتم معكم لليوم لتبعتون يا محمد. اليوم بتبعتوا كل الملفات، انا بكره بعمل لهم تشيك، اوكي؟
Okay.
Yeah.
Teacher, so we can make it today.
Yes, you can make it today and send it for me.
Okay.
Send it.
Still 1 minute.
Yes, Liam.
مش رح نلحق نعمل أبونا.
The first angle
The
is
exam.
ABC equals 35 degrees.
Okay.
Type. First step, we will draw a line. We have to name this line what?
B.
AB. Type. Okay,
A.
wait a minute. We still have less than 1 minute.
Yeah.
We complete.
Complete.
طيب, tomorrow we'll correct our homework. Okay, teacher?
Bye, good time.
Okay.
Yeah, bye bye.
See you tomorrow.